What's up, kids too technical? I'm back again with another video today. As you can see, I have products from Zeera. I want to say thank you once again for sending me out your products. So what we have is a MagSafe power bank, the Gen 4, that also it'll charge your Apple Watch, your AirPods, the second generation AirPods, and also charge your Apple device, your iPhone 13 Pro Max and iPhone 12 Pro Max. So we're gonna unbox it and I'm gonna show you some examples. First, I want to go to their website so you can see some of the specs that are built into this power bank. I believe it has a 10 milliamp battery. I believe I'm gonna look that up right now. So we're just gonna go to Zeera.wireless and I'm gonna pull up and show you some of what it is. So this here, you want to go to the store. Here it is right here. It's the Zeera MagVolt Gen4. It's the world's first 10,000 milliamp foldable MagSafe battery pack for Apple Watch, iPhone, and AirPods. But like I said, I believe this only works for your AirPods Gen 2. I'm going to bring my AirPods Pro out just to show you that it does not work with these, but I'm going to sit those right there for now. So this costs you $65.99 plus tax. You can buy this from Zeera's website, or you can go on Amazon and buy it for yourself. And I will put a link in the description for Zeera and Amazon. Maybe you want to go through Amazon, or maybe you want to go through Zeera's website. So you do get different colors. You get a black, which they sent me out the black version. You get a blue version, just nice, and then you get a white version. That's nice, but I'm glad they sent me out the black version because white can get very, very, very nasty. So now we're gonna go on and unbox what we have here. And I like Zeera because they always include a nice cable. This is a USB-C to USB-C cable. They always include this when they send me out their their products, and that's cool to have because this is a nice thick braided cable. You don't have to worry about this getting bent up or anything, and it's nice quality, so that is good to have. This is my second one. So now we're going to get into the MagVolt Gen 4. So I'm gonna put this aside. So it comes in this nice carrying pouch, it's leather like, but it's not, almost like velvet like carrying bag. So if you want to travel with this, you have a nice little bag to keep it safe, and it won't get dirty in this bag. Then you also get your USB-C to USB-C charging cable connector for the product, but I'll probably end up using the longer cable cord that they sent with the device. And then you get your instruction manual at the bottom here. It says wireless. It's a wireless power bank. Pretty much just shows you how you can use it and what all it can charge, and so on and so on. I'm not going to read this because I already know what to do. So now I'm just going to open up the bag and let you see the product first. So yes, this does have, it's not too heavy, but it's not too light. But it does look nice in the hand, as you can see here. It also has a little kickstand on the back, so you can prop this up when you are charging your devices, like so. As you can see, that's what it would look like. Then at the bottom here, you do get your power indicators. You get, this is USB-C. This is how you would cut on cut on the power to allow charging. I don't know if I charged it well, but we'll see. But you would just press and hold that, and then your lights, your LED lights will turn on to let you know that you have some power. But pretty much I'm going to show you what it would do if it was charging and had power. I guess it came with no juice. I should have charged it up, but I didn't. But anyway, so this is pretty much what you would get. What it'll look like. And that's nice that it has that little kickstand in the back, magnetic kickstand. And this is what it looks like in detail. So I'm gonna show you. I want to show you that it does not. I'm gonna charge this up for a minute and I'll be back, because I want to show you that I have it charging. It's charging right there. So pretty much, if you want to charge something, first I'm going to show you that it does not charge the AirPods Pro. Just want you to know, because your AirPods Pro do not have. Oh well, look, actually I guess I lied. It is charging your AirPods Pro. So look, hey. So this does charge your AirPods Pro. I didn't think it would, because this doesn't have the MagSafe capability in it, but it does charge your AirPods Pro. So sorry about that, but yes, you do get access to charging your AirPods Pro, and that is very cool. So you would just place it here, and just like that, your AirPods Pro are charging right up. So that's good. So it does charge your AirPods Pro. Here goes my here's my iPhone 13 Pro Max. Place it here. And it is currently charging my iPhone 13 Pro Max. Don't mind the cord, but this is what it would look like if you had this on your iPhone 13 Pro Max without your case. This is what it'll look like. And this magnet is very, very strong. It will not fall off at all. So that is a good look. And it is charging indicator. It says it's charging. So you can charge it. You can charge your phone without a case on it, just like that. Or you can go put on a MagSafe case that has the MagSafe ring on the back. Place a case on like so, and you can charge it with the MagSafe case, and I'll let you know that it is charging. And like I said, you still do not have to worry about this falling off, because this is not going anywhere. With the magnets, yes, it adds a little bulk to your device, but that it is what it is. So that's the iPhone, the AirPods. Now for the Apple Watch, I have the Apple Watch SE, and it is currently charging my Apple Watch SE. Let me see here. You can take your band off so it can charge even better, but I like it like this. Mine is currently at 92%, but as you can see, it is currently charging my Apple Watch SE as we speak. So pretty much this is a nice little accessory to have if you have Apple products.